Hi there, my name is Chris, Sales Manager for Sound and Vision in Bolton. We're having a look today at the Panasonic SC-BTT775 system. It's a new Panasonic home theatre system. The unit itself is 1000 watts total output. You get 4 of the upright speakers that you see behind me here, 2 for the front, 2 for the rear. The speakers can be separated from the base stand here as well, so you can just wall mount the top part of this speaker system. The subwoofer has an output of 200 watts. The actual subwoofer itself is downward firing, so it radiates very well out into the living room area. And you've got the centre speaker that you see here. The centre speaker, yet again, can also be wall mounted. The unit itself, you have an iPod dock. So you can put in your iPod or iPhone into this unit and have that playing as your source for your music itself. It's a Blu-ray home theatre system which also copes with 3D as well. You don't need to have a 3D TV to use this unit, but it is 3D ready. It's also Wi-Fi internet ready as well. So as long as you've got a wireless internet service at home, you can access the internet through this particular unit itself. So you've got things like Skype on here as well. You can buy Skype cameras, just plugged into the USB socket on the rear of the unit, so you can make Skype to Skype phone calls as well. So it's a 3D Blu-ray home theatre systems, which has got internet facilities built into it. As I said, it will play 3D movies, normal Blu-ray DVDs and normal DVDs as well, and we'll also upscale those to give you better performance and better picture quality from those as well. You've also got the iPod dock on there for iPod or iPhone. We're going to take a look at the menu system on this unit in just a moment. Before that, we'll just take a look at the sockets on the rear. So the Panasonic system, first of all, you've got your mains connection. Your sockets here are the speaker connections. Very straightforward to set up. As you can see, they are all colour coded. Purple, green, red, white, grey and blue. You just plug in the corresponding colour speaker cable. So very straightforward to actually set up. USB input on the back. You've also got a Ethernet port. 2 HDMI inputs, which are here, HDMI 1 and 2, and 1 HDMI out to your TV. It's a great advantage having the additional HDMI ports on the back of here, because you can plug now 2 HDMI sources into here and output it all from the one cable to your TV. So if you've got a cable or satellite, you can have your cable or satellite box into here, and if you've got a games console such as a PS3 or Xbox, you can have that plugged into here as well. And it's just the one cable you need to your TV. You just do all the routing through the actual system itself. You've then got your connections just for your FM aerial. You've got digital optical input, and you've got separate auxiliary audio in on here, as well as a video out socket as well. I've got the unit now connected up to the TV behind me here, and you can see the on-screen menu on the TV screen giving various different options. As I said, you have got wireless internet built into this unit. You see at the top here you've got network. So on the remote control, the unit here, you've got up, down, right, left and OK in the centre. If we go up to network and press OK, it will start loading into the Panasonic VieraCast network system, and will give us various options on screen. So internet content, yes, click that again, and it will load up various different web pages that we can get into. Things like YouTube, Eurosport, and they'll all start to load up on the screen in just a moment. I said you've got Skype facility through this unit with the USB on the back. Plug your Skype camera in, you can make Skype to Skype phone calls. And then you've got various other things at here where you've got cinema at home through Ace Tracks, Daily Motion, YouTube. We can come down from there. You've also got Twitter through this unit. Come down to more information, and the pages will change and you get more websites loading up on the screen there for you as well. And yet again, all you would do is just highlight one of those particular sites, indicates by lighting up with the blue surround around it there, and you just press OK in the centre and you would access that particular website. We'll just press return on the remote control, which is just here, and that'll bring us back through the menu system. So on the remote control we've also got a button here which says option. Now the option button gets you into the menu system for actually setting up the unit itself. So we press option on here, puts the menu system up that you've seen before, and we come down to others. So we'll come down and across, access others on here, and you've got setup. If we go into setup and it gives all the various different menu systems then for setting up the unit itself. So you've got picture, sound, various options on here. So if we come down there, you'll have different options in the sound menu. So if you come down to things like speaker, you've got full manual setup for the speakers as well. So as I said, you've got 2 of the tall standing speakers for the front, 2 of these for the rear, centre and a sub. All of these are displayed on here. You've got your TV screen here, centre channel, this unit here, left speaker, right speaker, 2 for the rear and the sub. And using the up, down, right and left key, if you want to adjust any of these, we can go into the subwoofer setting, the centre channel setting, just press OK, and you can alter the dB level, so you can raise that particular setting or lower it accordingly. See it rising up here, or we can bring that down. And that's just using the keypad on the remote control, up, down, right and left. So you can alter each individual speaker. So if you've got one speaker that's nearer to you than the other speakers, you can lower the actual volume of that particular speaker. Now then, if we come out of that menu, if you don't fancy doing sort of all the settings yourself, you have got an easy setup. If you go down to Others, which is down here, press OK, and it will take us into an easy setup guide. Now, as I said, this particular system comes with 5 speakers. If we access it, so just click over to Yes. It comes with 5 speakers. You can either use all 5 speakers at the front end, so you don't have to have the speakers behind you. If we press OK to access this, it will give us 2 layouts. The more conventional layout for surround sound, where the speakers are behind you, or you've got the alternative setting where you've got all the speakers at the front. And you just access which system you want, and then you can do a speaker check where it will automatically do a complete setup for you. Set all the speakers to the right level to where you're actually sat in the room as well. So very, very straightforward to wire up. All these speaker connections are colour coded on the rear, and a very straightforward, easy setup guide if you need it on the screen itself. Just going back to the unit itself, you've got your controls on the top just here for things like open, close and so on, for the eject of the DVD. Just underneath this flap here, you've also got an SD card reader. If you've got a digital still camera, pop your card into the front of it. You can have your photographs or video displayed on screen, and you've also got another USB on there as well. These units are on display in both our Bolton and Leeds stores. If you would like to have more information on this unit, go either through to our website, which is soundinvision.co.uk, or please give me a call. My name is Chris on 01204 861 861. There are hundreds of video clips on our website, not just on home theatre systems, but on TVs, amplifiers, speaker systems, to give you a closer look at the product itself. So as I said, if you'd like some more details, please give me a call. My name is Chris on 01204 861 861. Thank you.